Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is a tips video on how to use your Chromebook touchpad. This is really handy and very quick tips to show and share with all of you. From your Chromebook at any pitch, the first tip is about to scroll up and down. Normally, you can scroll your Chromebook by using the scroll bar on the right side of your screen. You need to drag the scroll bar up and down to scroll your page. This is just the normal one that you can do. Interestingly, with your Chromebook touchpad, you can use your two fingers when you're scrolling. As you can see that the page is scrolling up and down, this is really easy. You just only need your two fingers on the touchpad at the same time. The second tip is to switch tabs. As you can see that there are 4 tabs here, and for example, I have 4 different tabs open in the window. Normally, we really need to go up and click to the tab one by one. Or you can hold press the control button from your keyboard and press on the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or, interestingly, with your Chromebook touchpad, you need to use your 3 fingers to swipe and switch between the tabs. So, if you want to get to the different tab, you can just swipe to the left and right to go to the next tab with your 3 fingers at the same time. And you can see that the tabs glow white. This is very handy and really quick to just swipe with the 3 fingers to switch to the different tab. And the third tip is about to bring up all of your multitasking tasks from different windows. This is really easy. With your Chromebook touchpad, swipe up your 3 fingers at the same time. So you can see that your screen shows all of the windows that you've got open. Then you will just need to swipe down to go to the page back.
Thank you for watching the video. So for further information, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So good luck and bye!